So you have to change the shoes, and all of the workers will actually change all the shoes here first in this buffer room, and then we will enter the other buffer room to get ourselves suited up. Follow me. And before you enter to the other room for changing the suit, and you have to wash your hands and make sure to dry your hands as well. I'm gonna get myself suited up. Pretty sure this is the right size for me. Good. Proper size. So all the suits, once they change, and they are actually cleaning them, wash them, and make sure they are sterilized every day before they reuse again in the next working hours. So once you get suited up, I'm ready to enter inside of the workshop. But this is actually, hot. Now I need to go into the decontamination room, and so this is high tech. So now I'm ready to enter the workshop. Hey guys, I'm Carson Lee. I am Hunan Yixin Mask Factory. Our factory is producing 12 million Three-Ply masks every day and 6 million of FFP2 masks. So there are a lot of customers are doubt about our production capabilities, and this is also why I am here today to review the secrets of making the masks. Get themselves sterilized and get them changed and suited up before they enter the workshop. So where I'm now standing is one of the main 5 production workshop here in Mask Factory. There are 1,500 workers working daily here in this workshop. We can manufacture 5.5 million pieces every day in this workshop only. But I know you guys might also doubt or ask the same question like the other customers. They're saying that why you have to hire so many workers, why not use automatic machines? Actually we have, and of course we have a lot of the automatic machine, and we will show you in later stage as well. But the main reason why we still hire so many workers is because that as much as 5 workers could do the same work as an automatic machine, but the automatic machine might have maintenance problems, might have machinery problems, and they will have to stop and for a whole period of time. But for most of the workers here, even if they have a little bit problem with one small machine, we can easily replace them. And the reason why we are going in both legs is because that we can make sure the high efficiency of the production. Workers are putting the straps to Three-Ply masks, and also we are having the process testing as well. The worker is actually putting the strap to the Three-Ply mask, and after they put together, so we've got a QC manager here, and they will test the stretchability and also the weight test as well to make sure the ear loop is correctly put on the mask. And once they find any problems with the mask, they will take it out. And also if they find a problem with the machine, they will stop it and reuse it. What I found is that when she's testing the weight test, actually she is continuously holding it for 5 seconds. 5 seconds. So that's to make sure the ear loop is 100% right. We're now in 100,000 cloth level clean room and making surgical masks, and we are placing all of these automatic machines that we mentioned. This is actually the Three-Ply automatic machine for the 3-ply mask with 3 rolls here, and they follow all the routine. And with this pattern, pressed, and then they get them sliced off. And after they're sliced off, they go both ways to the 2 lines to attach the earlobe automatically. So this is a little bit different than the handmade machine, but this is fast. And I think 我们这个一天能做多少？
我们这天的话，平均是在3万以上的一个产量。
Okay, so every machine can manufacture about 30,000 pieces of mask every day. And 我们现在有多少台？总共在这个区域？
这个区域的话，我们在这个区域总共是有30几台的这样的全自动的机器。
And in total, we've got 30 sets of automatic machine here in another workshop of Hunan Nishi. And in this workshop, we mainly manufacture medical and surgical masks. And as you can see, we've got so many workers in this workshop as well, and having 1,200 workers and 600 in the daytime and 600 in the nighttime. So the total output per day is 5 million pieces of 3-ply masks. So on my left side, they are putting the straps together to the 3-ply mask, and on my right side, we've got 24 automatic 3-ply mask machine, and over the other corner, we've got 2 high-speed mask machine. This is a real high-speed 3-ply mask machine, and the speed is actually 5 times more than a regular 3-ply mask machine, and they can produce 1,000 pieces per minute, and we've got 2 of them. And now another workshop with 150 machines here, and mainly they produce FFP2 mask, 3-ply mask, and 3-ply mask with tie-on. So in this production area, the total output of 3-ply is 3 million, and total output of 3-ply with tie-on is also 3 million, and the total output of FFP2 mask is 2 million pieces. So as you can see, there are so many machines are placed in this workshop, and the only pity thing is that the workers are actually on a break just today. So you are invited to visit and to see the whole production in high gear. Woo. So here is the machine for the 3-ply with the tie-on. They're actually not working today, but this is the video that I took yesterday of how they work. Follow me. So machines over there for FFP2. Machines over here for FFP2 as well. Machines over here for FFP2 as well. Woo! 别摔跤了。I'm now standing in our raw material warehouse. This is 5,000 square meters. So on my left hand, we are storing the melt-blown fabric and non-woven fabric. So on my right hand, those are all packing materials. Doing a great job and produce as much as we can. Hey guys, I'm here to present you the different mask we manufacture and also the different packagings. Starting with the medical mask, and this is the standard English packaging we are manufacturing. Let me unbox it. In each box, and that's one instruction manual, and we have 10-piece packaging. In each box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 50 pieces in a box. And we've also got auto packaging as well, with our number of 50 pieces. So this is actually according to the customer request. Apart from the English packaging, we all, and each box contains 2 bags of 5 and FFP2. We pack in a printed bag like this. Each bag contains 5 and 6 bags in a box. And in today's video, I hope you have a deep understanding of Hunan Yixin Mask Factory. We have 6,500 workers, 308 mask machines supported with 1,896 relative machines, and the annual output is 12 million pieces of 3-ply masks and 6 million of FFP2 masks. So thanks for ordering with us, and I hope to see you in the factory. Thank you.